Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we will be drawing a scene of family enjoying a winter night around bonfire while camping. Before we start, let me extend a warm welcome to the CSMC channel for all the creative minds out there. To get better understanding, follow the steps as shown. Pause the video, draw the step, and then proceed to the next step. Use a 4 or a 3 size drawing paper, 2B pencil for drawing, and have a drawing pad for support. This tutorial is meant to benefit your memory retention, study of human figure and anatomy, composition skills. For today's artistry trivia, which renowned artist is known for painting the iconic Kashmir landscape series, capturing the serene beauty of snow-covered Himalayan scenery? Drop your guesses in the comments below and stay tuned till the end to know the correct answer. Imagine a cold winter night. You are out camping with your father and your brothers standing around a bonfire. While feeling the warmth of the bonfire, laughing and talking. Now let's start with our sketch. Let's draw our first character, the father, who is bending on the knees to feel the warmth of the bonfire. Use basic shape in the first part of our drawing, so later we can add details. Next, draw the stones that we keep around the bonfire and basic shape of the fire. Let's draw our next character bending forward to get the warmth of the bonfire. Use the same process as we did for the first character. Proportion is a very important factor, so take your time and check with our sketch. Next, draw the third character who is behind the bonfire. Remember to keep the lines light so you can darken and add details later. Next, draw the intricate details like the facial expression and details of the clothes. Now let us draw in the background. This is a camping scene, so draw accordingly. Great job with completing the sketch. Now let's start with the fun part, coloring. Carefully color the sketch and make sure it doesn't get out of the outlines. Use light strokes to create shadows and highlights, giving a three-dimensional feel to our characters as well as our props. While coloring or shading, always keep in mind the form of the subject and the light casting on it. This will help you in giving a better shading to the sketch. Blend the colors to make the sketch livelier. It's okay if your sketch doesn't match our sketch. Always remember to have fun while sketching and keep practicing, because practice makes perfect. And there we have it, a sketch of a blissful night with family. Now, coming back to the artistry trivia question. Nicholas Roerich, though Russian, spent much of his life in India, capturing the Himalayan beauty in his Kashmir landscape series, leaving a lasting impact on Indian art. I would like to see your creative end results, so share your output to me on WhatsApp for further evaluation and feedback. For more such helpful and insightful tutorials, make sure to visit the CSMC Training YouTube channel and definitely check out the intermediate playlist to add more skills to your arsenal. Thanks for watching. Subscribe and hit the bell icon to never miss a drawing tutorial from CSMC.